Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss the topic deque operations. In that, we are going to discuss delete write operation. Already, we have discussed three operations: insert right operation, insert left operation, delete left operation. This is the fourth operation we are going to discuss under deque data structure, that is delete write operation. So, the algorithm is step 1. If left is equal to -1, if this is the case in the sense, normally in queue data structure, if front pointer is pointing to -1 memory location in the sense, meaning is queue data structure is empty. Okay, this is the condition for empty queue data structure. Similarly, in deque data structure, if left pointer is pointing to -1 memory location, the deque data structure is empty. That is the meaning. So, you cannot able to perform delete operation in empty deque, right? So, in this case, write, that is print the message underflow and go to step 4. Meaning here is we cannot able to perform delete operation, so exit. Okay. So, before deleting any element from the deque, we have to check whether the deque is empty or not. The condition is left is equal to -1. If the condition is true in the sense, you have to print the message underflow and exit. Suppose if this condition is false in the sense, go to step 2, write deleted element is deque of write. So, the right pointer in which memory location it is pointing, what is the element there, that is the element you are going to delete now, right? So, to print the deleted element, you have to print deque of write. Okay, this is step 2, just to know which element you are going to delete or what is the element you have deleted. To understand that, we have printed the deleted element is deque of write. Okay, next step 3. So, these are all the conditions for delete write operation in deque data structure. Okay, so here if left and right pointer is pointing to same memory location, in which case the left and right pointer will point to same memory location. For example, consider this as the deque data structure with 8 memory locations. Okay, and here there are some elements in deque data structure. So, here the left pointer is pointing to first memory location, right pointer is pointing to fourth memory location. Okay, so in which case the left and right pointer will be pointing to same memory location. For example, here if I am implementing delete write in the sense, just decrement and the right pointer by 1, automatically element will be deleted. Suppose if I am implementing delete write in the sense, decrement right pointer by 1, okay, automatically this position element will be deleted. Okay, next again if I am implementing delete write operation, decrement right pointer by 1. Okay, now the right pointer will point to second memory location, automatically this position element will be deleted. Similarly, again if you are implementing delete write, now this position will be deleted. Now right pointer will point to the next memory location, that is the previous memory location. You have to decrement the right pointer position by 1. Okay, if you are decrementing, automatically it will point to first memory location. Now, the left pointer is also pointing to same memory location. See, in the whole deque data structure, here you can able to place 8 elements, but when left and right pointer is pointing to same memory location, the meaning is this is the only element in this deque data structure, right? If you are deleting, what will happen? Now the deque will be empty after deleting this one element. Okay, if 20 is deleted, automatically the deque data structure will be empty. Okay, so after deleting, what will be the position of left and right pointer? So here, if left and right pointer is pointing to same memory location, delete this element and then reset left and right pointer to -1 memory location. This is the condition for empty deque data structure. Okay, so after deleting that only one element, set left and right pointer to -1. Okay, so this is the condition. Suppose if this condition is false in the sense, go to else part and here you have to check if right pointer is pointing to 0th memory location. Okay, so when the right pointer will point to 0th memory location, here this is 0, 1, 2 up to 7. Okay, when the right pointer will point to 0th memory location. Continuously, if you are implementing the delete write operation, at one state it will reach to the 0th memory location. For example, see here, there are some elements and here the right pointer is pointing here, okay, and left pointer is pointing here, okay, and some elements are there here. So in this case, what we have to do? If you are implementing delete right operation, this element will be deleted. Now right point will point to this position, right? After implementing delete right operation, this will be deleted. Now right will point here. After deleting this element also, now right will point here. After deleting this position element, again if you are implementing delete right, after deleting this element, where the right pointer will point? If you are decrementing right pointer by 1, further if you are decrementing in the sense, it will go to -1 memory location. That is the condition for empty DQ, right? But that is not the case. Here elements are there here. Okay, so in this case, if right pointer is pointing to 0th memory location, after deleting this element, reassume right pointer to max -1 position. So afterwards, if you want to implement delete right operation in the sense, it will start with the maximum position. Okay, what is the maximum position in the array, Q array? It has to point to that memory location. So if right pointer is pointing to 0th memory location, after deleting this element, reset the right pointer to max -1 position. Now you have to reset here. This is the max -1 position. Again, if you want to implement delete right in the sense, this element will be deleted and decrement the right pointer. Normal procedure will go on. Okay. So this is the condition. Suppose if this condition is also false, go to else part, simply implement right is equal to right -1. For example, if this is the DQ data structure, okay, and here the elements we have placed. Okay, now right pointer is pointing to this memory location, 5th memory location, left pointer is pointing to 2nd memory location. So in this case, if you want to implement delete right in the sense, just decrement the right pointer position by 1. Now it will point to 4th memory location. Okay, automatically this element will be deleted. Now right pointer will point to 4th memory location. This is the normal case. Again, if you want to delete right, just decrement the right pointer by 1. Okay, this is the normal condition. So here, these are all the 3 cases for delete right operation. Okay, first before implementing any delete operation, you have to check for empty queue. Normal queue data structure also, in DQ data structure also, you have to check for empty queue or DQ. So empty DQ condition is left is equal to -1. If this condition is true in the sense, in that case, DQ data structure is empty. Just write underflow message and exit. Okay. Otherwise, what is the element you are going to delete? Just write the element, print that element. Then step 3, if left and right pointer is pointing to same memory location, meaning is that is the only element in the DQ data structure. After deleting that element, set left and right pointer to -1 memory location. If this condition is false in the sense, you have to check if right pointer is 0th position. When you are implementing delete right operation, if the right pointer is pointing to 0th memory location, after deleting that element, the right pointer should be reassumed to max -1 position. Okay, so if right equal to 0, set right is equal to max -1 position. Automatically 0th memory location element will be deleted. If this condition is also false in the sense, go to else part and here just decrement the right pointer by 1 position, automatically the element will be deleted. Okay, so this is the normal case. These two are complicated cases. This is the normal case. Okay, so these are all the cases for delete right operation in DQ data structure. So now all the 4 basic operations in DQ data structure we have discussed with its algorithm and example. Insert right, insert left, delete right and delete left. Okay, next session we will move on to the C program to implement the DQ data structure basic operations. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.